Hi, my name is Grubner, and today I will be reviewing the Carbyne 50-piece Master Torx SAE hex and metric hex bit socket set for professional tool and equipment news. The set itself comes in a plastic blow molded case, packaged in a paper carton, and enclosed in a cardboard box. It also came with a Carbyne info card as well as a Carbyne sticker. The set is made in Taiwan and it has a limited lifetime warranty. 50 pieces are included in total, and it's a combination of 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch square drives. It's pretty easy to determine the drive size based on the indents or cutouts in the case. For instance, all the Torx bit sockets down in the bottom left corner are a 1/4 inch drive, and then it moves on to 3/8 drive, and then 2 1/2 inch drives. The bits themselves are steel with a zinc phosphate finish, and the sockets are chrome vanadium. So far I've used some of the smaller metric hex sockets for removing and installing oil drain plugs, and I've also used some of the smaller Torx, mainly the T20 and T25, for accessing cabin air filters. One thing I like about this set includes the stamping on the case itself, as well as on the chrome vanadium surface of the sockets. I also like the case. It's just a nice comprehensive way of keeping all the sockets in one spot with a relatively small footprint, and it seems fairly durable as a whole. One suggested improvement I have for this set would be to make the Torx sockets included tamper-proof, like this, just for the sake of making this kit a little more versatile and capable of removing more types of fasteners. Another idea that I have would be to add a pin-type hinge to this case. That way the top half of this case could be separated from the bottom half, and the bottom half with all the sockets could just be slid into a toolbox drawer without taking up too much space, and then the case could always be reassembled for travel purposes or if you need to carry it across the shop. Overall, I'm very impressed with this set. I'd never even heard of Carbyne prior to this review, but I'd say the quality of these bit sockets is on par with some of the Taiwanese made competitors,